Welcome back, friends. We are taking you on another mini trip through one of Italy's famous coastlines.
To Manarola. Okay, we stop in Manarola.
So funny.
By train, Vernazza.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Hi! We are here in Cinque Terre, Italy. We are on our way to Parma, but we are stopping here through the 5 cities. So we are right here in Manarola right now.
We're gonna go down into this little town, check it out, and then we're gonna go over one city and have lunch with the team.
Yeah. So come with us and enjoy the town. Hopefully you can grab some gelato and a little bit of coffee because I definitely need that this morning.
All right guys, we'll see you down there.
Bye. Cinque Terre is hidden along Italy's northern coastline. It's also known as the Italian Riviera and is made up of 5 unique hillside villages. We're on a bit of a time crunch, so we'll have to give you a little taste of what to do and see in 2 of the 5 towns. Here in Manarola, a stroll along the hillside is a must. Along the trail are a few cafes and a small playground. Take a few moments to enjoy the scenery while you're here. If you plan to visit more than 2 of the villages, we highly recommend buying a Cinque Terre train card for €18. It also includes access to hiking trails and eco-buses. Trains run every 15 minutes between villages. We are in Vernazza. This is awesome. You can walk up either hillside here in Vernazza. Today we chose the residential side overlooking the village and the castle tower. If hiking and trains aren't your thing, you can opt to take a boat to each town with the exception of Corniglia.
Impressive. The tower, I guess it struck noon.
It is noon, yes. Very fancy.
We're up here, we're in Cinque Terre, we're
in the city of Vernazza right now. So we've kind of come up above the church here, as you can see behind us. And on the back side of us here is kind of a trail. So if you've never been to Cinque Terre, you can actually hike between all 5 cities. So if you're feeling very adventurous, it's quite a lengthy trail, but it can be done. Unfortunately, we don't have time for that today since we're making our way to Parma, but
we have a regimented time frame in which we can be here. We have to make our way to Parma by a certain point for that special event we've been talking about.
So yeah, we're just kind of exploring Vernazza right now, and we're about to head back down to go to lunch. So
12:30 lunch. Reservation right
down there. You can't see it; it's hiding behind the church bell. But
down there.
Yeah, we're gonna go have lunch. This town was recently rebuilt when the huge storm flooded many of the buildings in 2011. All first floor buildings had to be renovated, including the restaurant we're having lunch in today.
Yeah, you're gonna get splashed. Yeah, buddy.
Now my shoes are wet.
Yeah.
I knew it this time. I was like, oh shit, here you go.
How'd that work out for you?
None of these things have been good decisions. I bought this mortar and pestle, now I'm carrying this around. It's very heavy, and I've just got my feet soaking wet. It's alright. Didn't make the smartest decisions today, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
This is where we're going for lunch?
Yeah, it's fine here. Spit it out on Brenda.
How was yours?
Watch your arm. Yeah,
Okay.
put your elbow.
I meant to show you what we were gonna eat, and well, you only got the aftermath, so it's alright.
So we are leaving Vernazza now. We're gonna start heading to Parma. Pretty delicious lunch.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Got a little wet. Trying to capture some photos.
Playing in the water.
Yeah. So we had a good time here. Hope you guys have enjoyed seeing 2 of the 5 cities of Cinque Terre, but unfortunately,
Time is up. We gotta go.
Gotta go. So we'll catch you guys in Parma.
See you there.
Thanks for tuning in today with us, guys. We hope you all enjoyed this little mini trip. And if you haven't done so already, please click and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tune in next week.
From 1992 all the way to 2019, will we be next? Let's go find out.